A moment telling us a little bit about what T-Mobile Austria brings to this particular area of activity, the Internet of Things. And he has some fascinating insights. So if he doesn't get to tell you everything that he knows right now, I suggest you have a chat with him, a little conversation with him as I did about 10 minutes ago, gave me some real insights into understanding how IoT is brought to market. Werner started his professional career at Alcatel Austria. From 1997 until 2004, he worked for T-Mobile Austria, formerly Max Mobile, where he was head of product management. And afterwards, Werner held several management positions in the IT industry at large. As of 2006, as a senior manager at Amdocs, with pan-European business responsibility. Werner returned to T-Mobile Austria in April 2016 as Senior Vice President of Business and Wholesale. He has a wealth of experience. Let's hear from him. Werner.
Thank you very much. So first of all, I promise it's only 4 slides, 5 minutes maximum, because it's just me between you and drinks and food. I think one of the key learnings for me is that 25 years ago, we had no idea how internet would change the life of consumers. Consider today what you do with the internet, what you do with your smartphone, and would one of you ever expected that 25 years ago that our life would have changed in such extreme way only within 20-25 years. And I strongly believe that the Internet of Things will change our industries, the way we do business, in the same extreme way as the Internet changed the life of consumers. Internet of Things will change the life of our businesses. We don't know yet exactly how, we don't know exactly which processes, we don't know exactly which technologies, but I'm sure it will happen. So, just a few words about T-Mobile Austria. We are proud to be a competence center within Deutsche Telekom Group, exactly for that matter, for Internet of Things and machine-to-machine connectivity. And what we have built in the last few years is a very good network of partners in order to make sure that we can cover the whole process for customers end to end, from early consultancy to pre-sales activities to sales, delivery, implementation, support and services. Because what we have learned in all these experiences is that for most of the entrepreneurs and most of the companies, it's very hard to have an idea what to do, how to do it, how to make it happen. And actually, it's not about technology, it's not about connectivity, it's not about platforms, it's all about processes. It's all about how the business processes are changed or have to change or in order to make sure that we can actually leverage on Internet of Things and make the companies more effective and more efficient. What we did in order to boost a little bit the development of Internet, we created this IoT box, Internet of Things box, which is very easy. You can try it out. Everybody with a little bit of IT experience can actually work with it. You just connect it, and there's a platform behind it where you can basically collect data, and you can actually experience a little bit and do some development in order to see what you can do if you measure, for example, temperature or location, and connect that via the mobile interface into a platform and try it out. We are very successful with it because a lot of companies say, okay, I want to give it a try, but I don't know exactly what to do. Just take a box. The cost is close to nothing, and give it a try and be part of it. The next thing, which I think is important, that we have already very good success stories. For example, Enio, it's about charging cars. They are steering the whole network of charging stations all over Europe. We are a solution of T-Mobile. Euroscan, it's a leading company in the transportation industry. They are doing cooling system tracking and cooling system analysis. We are a machine-to-machine T-Mobile solution. Telegärtner, a very famous company, is doing their maintenance and service tracking of elevators with an Internet of Things solution powered by T-Mobile. Salzburg Research, also very interesting. What they are doing, we are Internet of Things, is they do predictive traffic analysis. So they try to understand what's the traffic on the street, how many cars are driving, where are they driving to, where are they coming from, in order to have a prediction model ready where the next traffic jam might be expected. So not to report about the traffic jam, but to have a predictive model when the traffic jam might happen and what kind of pattern they see already beforehand, before it really happens. Hobex, it's a payment terminal, a mobile payment terminal for debit and credit card payment. Also more than 5,000 Hobex devices powered by T-Mobile machine-to-machine solution. And last but not least, Konica Minolta, their print devices, all connected via machine-to-machine T-Mobile solution in order to have a basically what they do is to have an analysis of the usage of the machines and also to have data and information about usage patterns, to optimize maintenance cycles, to optimize the whole product design, and to optimize the feature set of future devices that they are producing. So they are also using this data for the product management and product development and research activities by learning what's really happening in the field in detail. And last but not least, what I personally believe that Internet of Things will give another boost is the narrowband IoT. So T-Mobile is launching a narrowband IoT network. What's the major advantage of that is that you really have deep in-house coverage. So you can really go into deep in-house coverage without any problem. And this will be a next boost for this. So after all, as a summary, I think we are now part of a very, very exciting development and story. Consider 25 years earlier than today, we had no idea how the internet and how smartphone will change our lives. I believe in 25 years from now, our companies, our businesses will stay the same about the Internet of Things. We had no idea how it has changed our processes, our businesses, our business models, and everything what actually the business is all about that we are in today. Now I have the pleasure to actually open I should have opened, but I already opened it. Some people already opened it on their own, the drinks and food. As T-Mobile, we are sponsoring this buffet of finger food and drinks. So please enjoy, have a nice evening, and we hope that we can have some more discussion on our booth of T-Mobile, where I would be happy to meet you in person. Thank you very much.
Werner, thank you very much.